Feeling overwhelmed trying to plan your homeschool week? Let me show you how to make it simple, using one powerful tool, a student planner. A homeschool planner is more than just a calendar. It's your roadmap. It helps your student track assignments, manage subjects, and stay focused day by day. With millions of families homeschooling in 2025, structure is the secret sauce. A weekly planner reduces stress, builds good habits, and gives your child ownership over their learning. Here's a quick way to build your schedule. 1. Pick the right planner. I recommend the one linked below. 2. Add your fixed events first, like co-ops or virtual classes. 3. Block your core subjects. Keep it consistent. 4. Add specific tasks, like read chapter 3 or math worksheet 5. 5. Leave a cushion and be flexible, because life happens. And do a Friday review to stay on track. Want to get started with a planner that actually works for homeschool? Click the link below to check out one of the best ones on Amazon. It could totally transform your week.